We are together in this. Justice for Jeff!
No justice, no more giving. No justice, no more giving.
No justice,
No more giving!
We need to be vigilant in this, and we need to be so much intelligent. Habari zenu wote nzuri. From these people, they know they are not going to give us justice, but they have the truth that we need. Right now, they are protecting their own because they don't want any harm. We are telling them this, that this is only by the beginning, because we are coming for round 2, and we are not going back so that we can come back. We are just from these microphones to go there. We need to go and know what happened to our own jail. We need the truth that they are hiding, because right now, wakifunga gate wametufungia gate nje. Wakati sasa wanaweka security tight. Wakati Jeff alikuwa anaanguka kutoka kwa ghorofa, walichukua 72 hours kujua kwamba anafaa kufanya kwa anafaa atuambie. Sasa wanafunga gate. Kwa hiyo siku walikuwa wapi? Hiyo siku walikuwa wapi hakuona kidondoka. Na sasa huyu anasema anakuja kutu address. DJ Fatso, you are the prime suspect in this case. I want to hear from you. We need you arrested. You are bigger man. Not like impunity. Ama tuingie ndani.
irathoma mwana nä raingä